rlhairstudio presents. This is my custom unit. I changed the closure. It was receding and the closure hair weft was coming out. Look at this beautiful wig. This wig is more than 7 years old. And yes, it has 3 bundles along with a closure, 18 inches the closure, 20 and 222 bundles. Yes, customized wig by Robin Lewis. And yes, look at it flow. Yes, beautiful wig. If anyone is looking for a beautiful custom unit, handmade, check me out. Pre-order yours today. Thank you for your orders and thank you for watching.